Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you could stream on every social media platform at the same time. And yes, TikTok is included, and you do not need a stream key to do this. And I'm going to add in a very special bonus. I'm going to be talking about two more topics on this. The first one is how you can manage all your comments in one software. And the second one, we're going to be adding a TTS, text to speech, in all the platforms so that you can be hearing the comments that come in and be responding to them instead of you looking at the chat. So we can get straight into the video. We're going to download some softwares. The first one we're going to be downloading is OBS Studio, and we're going to be downloading Streamlabs too. The links will be down below, so you do not have to type it to your shed, but you can just click on it and it will take you to the site. Then you can download it from there. I'm going to be leaving timestamps down below so you can skip the unnecessary process and just jump right straight into the solution. Firstly, you have to download OBS and Streamlabs because you need both of them for this to work. It's OBS that we're going to be using to stream, and we're going to get our stream key for our TikTok from Streamlabs. So once you are done installing both OBS and Streamlabs, we're going to download another software called Multiple RTMP for OBS. It's a plugin. This is going to give us the ability to stream on multiple platforms. You will just go to the download page, click on the download. It will take you to a GitHub repository. You should scroll down until you see assets. If yours is not showing like mine, click on the assets. You will see the link. The links will pop up. Then you will choose the one that best suits your operating system. I'm on a Windows, so I'm going to download my Windows version. When you are done downloading that, we are going to install the final software. We are going to get our stream key for TikTok using this tool. We'll get it from Streamlabs. So the link will be provided down below. When you get to this page, just scroll down until you see latest versions. Then you should click on it. It will take you towards the download page. Then you see different versions of it. You download the one that best suits your operating system. It comes in a zip file, so you will extract it and just open it when done. So once all that is done, we are going to log into Streamlabs. We open Streamlabs, then we are going to sign in with our TikTok. We do this process so we can be able to get our stream key from Streamlabs. After you've logged into Streamlabs using your TikTok account, we are going to launch the stream key generator for TikTok. You will open it, and once that is done, you will click load from PC. If a code comes out on the top, it means it is working. Press the go live, then a stream URL and a stream key will be generated. You can copy it, and we are going to carry it over to OBS Studio. Shift this to the side. We are going to open OBS Studio, and we are going to set up our OBS Studio. When you have opened that, we will move towards the docs. Where you see docs, you will click on it. You see the multiple outputs. If you do not see it, that means you do not install it well. The multiple outputs will pop up and you will see a Docker like this, but I've already set up my Docker, so for the sake of this video, I am going to delete my TikTok and put it back and set it up back. So you would go to add new targets. I'm just going to name this TikTok, and I will copy the URL and the stream key and put it in that box. I will first paste the URL and then I'll paste the stream key. So once I've done that, I am going to sync everything with the OBS in that other section. So scroll down, sync, and click OK. And voila, you can now multi-stream on all social media platforms. It's still the same process. You just need the stream key and the stream URL for you to stream on all social media platforms. So now I've finished discussing on the multiple streaming on the platforms. I am going to show you how we can manage our messages or everything on one platform. So we are going to head on over to our browser again, and we are going to search for a software called Streambot. this software is going to be used for us to manage all of our messages on all platforms. If we're live, we will see all the messages there. So we'll just download that and install it. After the installation, open the Streambot. We are going to head on over to the platforms and we're going to sign into all the platforms that you see there. We're going to sign into Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. It's a very simple process, but for the Kick, you will have to sign into this Streambot app. You have to use your Discord to sign into for it to work, because I do not know, it's like Kick is having some type of weird issue. As you see here, I'm going to sign out so you see what I'm talking about. But this is the first time you're using it. You're going to see that error that is there after you sign it to your Kick. So after you have signed in, you just make sure that the Kick is showing in your dashboard, in your Discord dashboard. So to make sure that you have signed in. Then after you've done all this, you are set to go. You would go back to the Streambot and open the chat section where you see that chat on the top side. And you can see all the platforms that are connected. You can even send a text and it will reflect on every platform that you have connected to. So now for the TikTok, you would have to go to Tikfinity, go to your browser and put the Tikfinity inside, so we can get the chat box from that Tikfinity. So the first time using this platform, you will be greeted with this. You would have to sign into the Tikfinity with your Google account that is connected to TikTok. So once you have signed into that, you will see your face there, and you should scroll down over to the chat section and you will see this chat box that's there. That is for TikTok. You can either minimize it and drag it to the side, or you can use OBS Studio by copying the URL in the Tikfinity. It provides you with a URL, so you can just copy that and paste it into the OBS. I will show you how to do that right now. So copy the URL and we are going to head on over to our OBS Studio. We are going to go to Docs and create a custom doc, so we can paste the URL inside and we give it a name. So I will just name this TikTok chat, and the URL, you paste it in the URL section, then hit apply. A Docker should pop up, but nothing is going to show on the Docker because you have to be live before you can use any of the services on that Tikfinity. So when you go live, you are going to go to Tikfinity and click connect. Then once you connect, it should work. Since we are done with that, we are going to be installing another software called Speakerbot from the same maker of Streamerbot. This is going to be used for the TTS, that text to speech. It's still going to lead us to that same site where you see the Speakerbot and the Streamerbot. So you just click download and install the Speakerbot so we can get started. After you've installed it, we're going to open the Speakerbot and you'll be met with a page like this. We're going to head on over to the settings. Click the speech engines and we are going to add a new engine. This is going to be the default from our computer, that is from Microsoft. Add the SAP i5, that is the default from Microsoft. You see a male and a female voice. Those are the default voice built into Windows. Select voice aliases and we are going to give it a name called default. Take note, this is the name we're going to be using on the Streamerbot, so it can connect to the Speakerbot. So under the voices, we are going to select any voice, either the male or the female voice, and me, I'm going to select the male voice, and we are going to click add. Now we've done that, the last thing we're going to do is to check the web socket to check if everything is in place, and then we can enter Streamerbot. So now we are going to turn on the auto start and we can now head on over to the Streamerbot. We are going to go into integrations and select Speakerbot. We will turn on auto connection and auto reconnection. We will check the port, this port is different from the other one, so I would copy this 7.5 port to the other port in the Speakerbot. I will paste it and start the server, then close the app entirely so it refreshes, and so everything will be in place. So checking back to the WebSocket, yes, everything is in place and the server has started. So now I'm going to go back to the Streamerbot and check if it's connected. As you see, it's not connected. We are going to hit the connect button in that connect status. Then you can see that the numbers has increased, and now it's showing that Speakerbot is connected. Go to the actions and queries. We are going to add an action. So anytime they send the text on the social platform or any of the social platform, you'll be able to hear the voice coming out from the computer, so you don't have to look at the text. So we're going to create a new action and we'll call it TTS, that's text to speech. But since I already created it, it's not going to be possible, so I will be using a name called TTL for this as example, but yours should still be left as TTS. So after you've created your TTS, go to the sub action, add, and go to Speakerbot, then go to speak. Add that in the sub action, give it a name called the default, and under the message you are going to type %message %. That is to give it access to your chat. Anytime they write a text, it is going to read out the text. So now we're going to add a trigger. This is for all the social media platforms, for this app to collect the messages and read it out to you. We're going to head to YouTube, chat, then messages. You just do the same thing for everything. So now YouTube has been added. We're going to do it for Twitch, and then we'll do the same thing for Kick. So now, since all the platforms have been added, you can head over to the chat and add a message. Just type anything, and if you hear a voice, just know you've done it well. So now for the TikTok, we're going to go to that Tikfinity. It's both for chat and TTS. For the Tikfinity, it is very simple to use. As I said before, you will not be able to use it unless you are logged in, so you will not really be able to use most of the features. Just scroll down until you see TTS chats, then you would see a section that looks exactly like this. You can turn it on, enable it, so when the text comes in your live, you will be hearing the voices. It's very simple. And that is how to activate text to speech for all social media platforms, and including TikTok. And I think that is all for this video. And if you liked this video and if it helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when next I post. And if you have any comments or it did not work for you, just leave it in the comment section and I would help you out as best as I can. So I would thank you guys for watching to this far, and I hope to see you in the next video.